I'm going to shoot a charge out of a roughly 150-year-old percussion pistol here. Setting it off, putting it at half cock, putting the percussion charge on. I got the lowest amount of powder in it. I just put it at the lowest setting here, and it's just shooting a wad. Shoot it this way. Oh, this fire. There we go. And then it takes 5 minutes to reload. This is 2 grains of black powder in the percussion pistol. It's already at half cock loaded, and the wad is stuffed down in there. So a little bit more power. I'll show you the difference between the two. That'll wake up the neighbors.